Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have what you need: a Google account and your class list. First, open Google Calendar and create a dedicated calendar called Classes. Next, click the desired date and choose Event to add a class. Use the course title, set the start/end time, and pick the class's calendar so events stay separate. Once done, add the classroom location and instructor email. This prevents clutter and makes sharing or toggling visibility simple and fast. Now you handle the middle steps that make the schedule reliable. For recurring classes, use the Does Not Repeat dropdown and pick weekly or custom with an end date. This saves repeated entry. Then add a reminder, email or pop-up 10-30 minutes before, and paste a Zoom link or classroom address. Make titles consistent, course code then name, and assign a color. These details reduce missed meetings and make scanning your week faster, especially during busy midterms. Finish by sharing the class's calendar with classmates or exporting an IKES for backup. This keeps everyone aligned. Review the week and resolve conflicts by dragging events or editing times. Make sure overlapping classes are clearly labeled. Finally, sync with mobile. Open Settings, verify the calendar is visible and sync is on. If events don't appear, toggle visibility, refresh the app, or re-add the calendar. That one troubleshooting tip: check visibility and sync, fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.